Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Teresa. Today we're learning some modern slangs that native speakers actually use, and they're not from your textbooks. Let's start with this one. Let's learn it's giving. It's giving plus something. So what does it mean? It's giving means it feels like or it looks like something. People use it to talk about a vibe, a style, or a feeling. For example, this outfit is giving princess. Her speech yesterday was giving confidence. So it actually means it gives me this feeling. So for the first sentence, this outfit is giving princess, it means it's giving me this feeling like a princess. Like it makes me feel like a princess. And her speech yesterday is giving confidence. So it gives me this feeling that she was so confident during her speech. You can start using this slang today. Let's start with saying, it's giving English learner energy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and for more English learning videos like this, don't forget to like and follow this page. Bye bye, see you later.